in Buckinghamshire, Mr. Nasty.
Very powerful, heavy armour, could live up to its name.
Right then, Mr. Nasty team. Actually, you're quite nice, aren't you?
Oh,
now,
lovely.
who are you most worried about in this?
In this first battle, we're most worried about Maximus.
Okay, who are you going to go for first?
Maximus.
Right. Who do you hope is out first?
Oh, Maximus.
I think we've got the message there. We're aiming for Maximus.
I think that's what the Romans used to say.
Has a hardened steel 8-inch long ramming spike, uses cartwheels, projecting both sides of a box-shaped chassis. Construction kept extremely compact to allow for the weight of the armour.
Stand by.
Let's have a look at the teams then. First, Mr. Nasty, Perry Dan and Jack Watkins on the left, Andy Bannerman, Carl Warren and Andrew Newby with Maximus. And Knight Rider, Paul Burridge, Stephen Oakley and Liz Stevens. In the arena for the House Robots, Matilda with the new toughened Tusk. Need any toughening up, Sir Killalot.
3, 2, 1. Activate.
Green for go then. One robot will fall at this stage. Very tentative. Mr. Nasty there, gleaming, steely, in on Maximus and pushing back to the arena sidewalk. That was determined. Well, they need to do a little bit more of a roaming around the arena. A roaming? Yeah, okay. Maximus in a little bit of trouble. So would I be with puns like that. Mr. Nasty on the attack, straight onto the angle grinder and over the flame pit. The pit release has been activated. I don't think there's going to be much empire building from the Maximus Gladiator team, do you? The ref bot, a little shove. Mr. Nasty watches on. We've seen nothing of Knight Rider just at the top of your picture there. Ooh, he needs to avoid Sir Killalot, chomp, and get away. But caught Knight Rider. Now the question, who's fallen first? Maximus still active. We can see the flipper moving very, very slowly. But the ref bot making sure and turning away. So is Maximus still okay? And now goes to look at Knight Rider. We learnt all about their gory weaponry, but it's Knight Rider, I think, to fall first. Maximus proved they were still working. Mr. Nasty, we know, are okay, and Knight Rider have gone. Well, that's a surprise to me. They had a very horrible-looking weapon, but they didn't get a chance to use it. And Paul Burridge, Stephen Oakley and Liz Stevens, their dream ends right there. Buckled, bent, and a broken dream. Thrown into the air, off the back of Matilda. She never forgets those she is given a piggyback to. And in she comes. At the controls, Stephen Oakley driving the machine. Paul Burridge at the weaponry. We never saw it, did we? Oh! Well, we see a little glimpse there, but in the claws of Sir Killalot. Just got a little glimpse of Mr. Nasty. I thought Mr. Nasty looked quite good early on. Knight Rider didn't at all. The ultimate winner of the New Blood Championship goes straight into the 7th UK Domestic Series. Sir Killalot, fancy Dan and showboating, nearly went over. And moves away. Smiles all round. Maximus looked the part. Splendid accoutrements, the armour on the side, the horns, if you like, the spikes, but well, what state will they be in, Maximus, when they continue? Because they're through to round 2. It was Knight Rider in the middle of your picture there, counted out the first. Ha ha! Drop zone time! Go on! 4, 2. You're on TV! Oh, I'll tell you what, Owens Matilda comes in. We didn't really like that programme, so he spikes it! From the drop zone came the TV. There the replays. In comes Matilda. Oh, look at that! She obviously thinks there's too many replays on TV. Didn't like the repeats. Cut it out! How can they applaud after all that? Knight Rider gone. Oh, that was splendid.
Knight Rider, they were immobilised first. So Maximus and Mr. Nasty, they go marching on.